History of English Language and Literature, Unit 1। यूनिट 1 पढ़े थे, यूनिट 1 का ही पढ़ रहे हैं। 1.2.9.7 Noam Chomsky, born 90, birth 1928। Noam Chomsky is an American linguist whose work has an extensive contribution to the field of linguistics. Let us understand two key ideas from his book on language in a chapter titled Philosophy of Language. Chomsky written, "The child place in a linguistic community is presented with a set of sentences that is limited and often imperfect, fragmented, and so on. In spite of this, in a very short time, he succeeded in constructing interesting the grammar of his language, developing knowledge that is very complex, that cannot be derived by induction or abstraction from what is given in expresses. Chomsky is throwing light on the process of language acquisition in childhood. He elucidates that if a child is placed in any language-speaking community where he is exposed to some fragmented sort of communication that takes place around him, her, the child quickly learns how to make sentences. The child, by its own expression, internalizes the grammar of his language, which is otherwise a very complex system. The process of internalizing the structure of a language in the brain of a child is still the research question for many linguists who are working in the field of cognitive science. In another chapter, Problems and My Structure in the Study of Language, Chomsky explains another aspect of language learning. He says language is not really taught for the most part. Rather, it is learned by mere exposure to the data. According to Chomsky, in most cases, language is never really taught. Perhaps he is against referring to the process of language acquisition in a child and making a point that none of the members of the family actually touch language when they carry out multiple interactions with the child, but in the second part of this definition about language acquisition, he said that language is learned by the expressions which the language gains in interaction with the person in surrounding. Therefore, it is the interaction that take place in the surrounding of any person or child which unconsciously makes this learning process possible. Language and mind. Another noted work of Noam Chomsky was published in 200 while discussing the from nature of language. He refers to key concept linguistic competence and performance. We will go through this concept which will widen our understanding of language. According to Chomsky, it is quietly obvious that sentences have an interest meanings determined by linguistic rules, and that a person with a command of a language has in some way internalized the system of rules that determine both the phonetics shape of the sentence and its intrinsic semantic content. That he has developed what we will refer to as a specific linguistic competence. Her Chomsky is defining linguistic competence by referring to a sentence. According to him, sentences have an intrinsic meaning which follows some rules. The speaker of that language internalizes the system of rules which are related to semantic meaning and phonetics sounds. This internalization of the system of language is termed linguistic competence by Chomsky, but Chomsky goes one step further by delimiting with this internalization factor. According to him, the performance of the speaker depends upon some external factors which he called external linguistic beliefs. External linguistic belief concerning the speaker and the situation play a fundamental role in determining how speech is produced in identified and understood. In the above statement, Chomsky is adding that other than linguistic role, there are certain factors that makes communication successfully. He determined there are factors as historic, linguistic belief and vary from community the to community and location to location. 1.2.10 characteristics of human language. The term characteristics means factor, quality, or function. It distinguishes one object or idea from another. In this section, we will be examining the characteristics of language which will help you understand the aspects of language, its chief factors, its function, and its distinctiveness. In this section, we will be examining the characteristics of language classified by three linguistic family: Charles F. Hockett and Altman and Noam Chomsky. Charles F. Hocker in these books courses in modern linguistics classified seven characteristics of language. Hockett and Altman further added three more characteristics to the list. Noam Chomsky also discussed two characteristics that are relevant to this list.